Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks for CRM sales tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the QuickBooks website. Click on the Sign Up button. Choose the plan that suits your business needs. Fill in your email address. Create a secure password. Click on Continue. Enter your business information, such as your business name and address. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Fill in any additional details required. Review the information you have entered for accuracy. Click on Create Account to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Check your email inbox for the verification link. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. You will be directed to the QuickBooks dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the CRM feature. Click on the CRM tab to begin setting it up. Tutorials are available if you need further assistance. Start customizing your CRM settings according to your sales process. Create your first sales opportunity by filling in the required fields. You can also import existing contacts into your CRM. Navigate to the Import section to upload your contact list. Once your contacts are uploaded, you can categorize them. Set reminders and notes for follow-ups with potential clients. Use the reporting feature to track your sales progress. Regularly check back to update your sales pipeline. Familiarize yourself with all the features available in QuickBooks CRM. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.